In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change the logo in your WordPress header. Whether you're rebranding, updating your design, or just replacing an old logo with a new one, this is a quick and beginner-friendly process that only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through everything inside the WordPress dashboard so you can follow along easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin area. You can usually access this by going to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and entering your login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and hover over Appearance. When the drop-down appears, click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer, where you can make visual changes to your website and see them in real time before publishing. After the customizer loads, you'll see several options depending on your theme. What you're looking for is the section called Site Identity. Go ahead and click on Site Identity. This is where you can manage your site title, tagline, and most importantly, your logo and site icon. Inside the Site Identity section, look for the option that allows you to select or change your logo. In some themes, it may say Select Logo, Change Logo, or something similar. Click on that button. Now you'll be taken to the WordPress Media Library. From here, you have two options. If your logo is already uploaded, simply select it from the Media Library. If not, click on Upload Files, then select Files, and choose your logo image from your computer. Once your logo is uploaded, click on it and then press Select. Depending on your theme, you may be asked to crop the image. If cropping appears, adjust the selection as needed and click Crop Image. Make sure your logo looks clean and properly aligned in the preview. While you're still in Site Identity, you may also notice an option for Site Icon. This is the small image that appears in browser tabs and bookmarks. If you want to update that as well, click on Select Site Icon, upload or choose your image, and crop it if required. This step is optional, but it helps maintain consistent branding across your website. Now take a look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should see your new logo displayed in the header area of your website. Double-check that the size looks correct and that it fits nicely within your theme's header layout. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button at the top of the customizer. This is very important. If you don't click Publish, your changes will not be saved. After you click Publish, your new logo will immediately go live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully changed the logo in your WordPress header. As you can see, it's a simple process. Go to Dashboard, then Appearance, then Customize, open Site Identity, upload your logo, and click Publish. If this video helped you learn how to change your WordPress header logo, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.